Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your memories items that you have shared on Snapchat app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app. In here, if you tap on memories option, then you guys can find out the memories. You can find out the recent memories on the top, and on the bottom you guys can find out your old memories. Now if you tap on any of them and you want to edit it, then you guys can use the three dots and tap on edit snap. Here you guys can find out a lot of options. You guys can put a text on it. For example, I'm gonna put this text, and you guys can put where you want. You guys can also add colors on it. You guys can also add sounds here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on next to add it. Then choose the part which you want to add, then tap on the check mark, and in here you guys can put it where you want. In here you guys can also add stickers. If you tap on the stickers option, and put the sticker where you want. And here to save the changes, tap on done. You guys can save the changes, and you guys can save the changes as a copy, or if you don't like the changes, you guys can also discard the changes. And if you guys want to share the video or photo, then you have to tap on next, or you guys can share the video as your stories. So this is how you guys can edit your memory items on Snapchat app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.